Okay, so here's an interesting little way to use standard time. I am going to show you how to show all of the employees who have a timer running, all of the time logs that are currently running from a timer, all the jobs, and all the tasks. Now, how are timers running? Well, they run from scanning barcodes. So right here, you would scan your name, a job, a task, a timer would start, and then you could go off and work on that, and then come back, scan your name and the word stop to stop a timer. So I've got all of the users listed here, the time logs within the last 30 days, all the jobs, all the tasks. Now what I'm going to do is show which of these have a timer running. So let's go over to the users, over to the filter tree and click timer running. One user. Over here to the time logs, again, filter that view, timer running. There is only one time log. Go to the jobs, you see all the jobs listed, and again, click timer running. Now I could combine these and show all the jobs in a certain folder that had a timer running or for a certain work group, but for now I'm just choosing one simple filter choice, and then again over here to the project tasks. Again, open up timer and choose timer running. So this is a very interesting way for you to find all the users that have a timer running, all the time logs that are running, all the jobs that have a timer, and then all the project tasks. Now you can see a lot of this just by going to the time logs and clicking on one of these, and you see the properties over on the right hand side, which is the job and the task and the user that is currently timing that. But that is a really nice way to find all the records for which a timer is currently running in standard time. Pretty neat.